Yes, Lotte. Welcome to the show. Laughter yoga.
Welcome. So everyone's heard of laughter, everyone's heard of yoga. Laughter yoga, not so much. Tell us all about it.
Well, it's fantastic because you can laugh without having jokes and comedy and humour, and you're not relying on memes to make you laugh.
Good job.
Yeah, so it's just combining breathing and playful laughter, because we forget to be playful when we're growing up, don't we?
It's so true. We don't laugh enough. How did you get into this, Lotte? Because I've actually not heard of laughter yoga before. This is new to me.
Do you know what? It's really funny because we talk about new trending stuff and so on. And it's been around 23 years, and I've been doing it since 2002.
Oh, cool.
And the first time I came across it was 2000 in Copenhagen. 10,000 people gathered to celebrate World Laughter Day. It was like, whoa!
10,000 people all laughing at the same time.
Almost.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
Cool. And it's really nice. So imagine that there's so many benefits to it. Like, can you name a few?
Do you know, you lift your mood. If you think about it, you laugh first thing in the morning. Not many people do that. But you just pretend laugh until you get it.
Yeah.
And you're in a good mood. And you lower the stress in your body, you boost your immune system, and you make good friends.
Yeah.
You know, when you laugh together, you're better friends and better relationships and learning to cope.
Yeah.
Nice. That's so nice. Well, let's have a look at some laughter yoga in progress, just to get a little feel.
There it is, laughter yoga in action there.
Oh, yeah.
So does it have the same effects on stress and relaxation as regular yoga does?
Do you know what? It's even better, because in laughter yoga, when you're laughing, you can't think at the same time.
Yeah.
I remember when I was doing yoga many, many years ago, I had all sorts of thoughts going through my mind and so on, and that's where you still have a little bit of stress going on, because you plan, oh, I need to shop, I need to do this, I need to, oh, did I lock the car?
Yeah. So this completely de-stresses you. You think about nothing else.
Yeah.
I like the sound of it. Let's give it a whirl.
Let's do that.
What do we need to do? Talk us through it.
Okay,
Are we all
so-
right just sat here?
Do you know, we can do that because we're just the three of us.
Yeah.
If we were a bigger group, we would, just like Mr. Dodd, we would have moved around and so on. But we can do it just, you know, when you're waking up and things start going wrong because you wake up in a bad mood.
Oh,
so
yeah.
you look for people to blame or
Yeah.
situations to blame. So instead, we just raise our finger and we go, ha 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 Okay, and you can finish it with a big breath where you raise your arms and go, and then you breathe out with a big okay. The great thing about it is that your body just doesn't need to laugh for real to begin with, because we start shifting the energy and releasing endorphins and other.
Oh, okay.
Let's do it.
So show us again, Lotte. So we're going up.
And then, and that's all the yoga you get in lots of yoga.
Okay.
Listen, so it's the idea that you do it, you do the fake laugh,
Yeah.
and you actually laugh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because imagine if you're waking up, you go in the bathroom and you look in the mirror and go, and it just gets you laughing, because it's like you're really pretending, yeah, but it slowly gets to be the real thing. So you can give yourself thumbs up and go, and when you've been arguing, I know, but you know what? When
Someone's face.
And when you do it in the toilet at work.
you wouldn't do it in someone's face, you would do it to encourage that we relax a little bit and let go of the anger and the stress of situations and so on. And do you know what? When you laugh with someone, you can more easily work together. I know you got really good chemistry and so on in working together.
We
And
laugh at each other a
also,
lot.
you can connect so much better, so you can have a drink together. Let's have a drink together.
Yeah.
So you have the two things, you shake up, yeah, and you go, yeah, yeah.
Right, start with the right.
Okay, let's go.
celebrating the playfulness.
Okay.
Remember when you've won an egg and spoon race or something?
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good. Yay!
Again, very good.
Very good. Yay!
Very good.
Yay! Can we combine having a drink with very good, yay?
Of course we can.
Okay.
Here we go.
Very good, yay!
And yay for Lotte, thank you so much for
Thank you so much.
That was Lotte Yoga. Amazing. Round of applause for you, Lotte.
Thank you. Where can people find out more about Lotte Yoga?
UnitedMind.co.uk. UnitedMind is my business, so hashtag UnitedMind or @UnitedMind, or how many times am I supposed to say it?
That's right. Go and check it out. Give it a Google. Thank you, Lotte. And try that yourself at home. I feel great.
I actually feel
I feel so uplifted. Right, so that was another week, another crazy